To effectively promote your locksmith business using SEO, focus on the following key strategies. Optimize your Google business profile. Verify your profile. Ensure accurate business details, name, address, phone number, and operating hours. Conduct local keyword research. Identify and target keywords such as 24-hour locksmith, your city, or affordable locksmith near me. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website. Develop location-specific pages. Create dedicated pages for each service area you cover. Include localized content and testimonials to improve relevance and search rankings. Regularly update website content. Maintain a blog with topics addressing common locksmith issues and solutions. Encourage and manage customer reviews. Request satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on your Google business profile. Respond professionally to all reviews to demonstrate customer engagement. Implementing these SEO strategies can enhance your online visibility, attract more local customers, and grow your locksmith business effectively.